How to get smooth and clear glass skin. Hello beauties, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is all about achieving that dreamy, smooth, clear glass skin look. Yes, you can get it fast using natural DIY remedies, easy tips, and a proper skincare routine that works for all skin types. And the best part, you don't need expensive products. Let's glow together. What is glass skin? Before we jump into the remedies, let's understand what glass skin actually means. Glass skin is a term that originated in Korea. It refers to skin that's incredibly smooth, clear, dewy, and radiant, just like a sheet of clear glass. Characteristics of glass skin: no visible pores, deep hydration, even tone and texture, natural glow but not oily. Step number 1, cleansing. The foundation of glass skin is a clean canvas. That means double cleansing. Start with an oil-based cleanser to remove makeup and dirt. Then use gentle water-based cleanser to remove any remaining residue. DIY oil cleanser recipe. 1 tablespoon coconut oil or jojoba oil. Massage gently on dry skin for 1 to 2 minutes. Wipe with a warm damp cloth. DIY water cleanser. 1 tablespoon honey. 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel. Mix and apply in circular motions. Rinse off with water thoroughly. Why this works? Because honey is antibacterial and aloe vera soothes your skin. Step number 2, exfoliation. To remove dead skin and unclog pores, exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week. Avoid harsh scrubs, you want a gentle but effective exfoliation. DIY exfoliating scrub. 1 tablespoon rice flour. 1 tablespoon yogurt or rose water. Mix and gently scrub for 2 minutes. Then rinse it off with water. What are the benefits? Rice flour brightens skin. Yogurt has lactic acid which smooths the skin. Don't over-exfoliate, that can irritate your skin and cause breakouts. Step number 3, toning. Toners help balance your skin's pH and tighten pores. DIY natural toner. Cooled green tea or rose water. Apply with a cotton pad or spray bottle. Green tea is anti-inflammatory. Rose water hydrates and refreshes skin. Step number 4, serums and treatments. Choose hydrating and brightening ingredients for serums. DIY vitamin C serum. 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel. 1 pinch turmeric. 1/2 teaspoon lemon juice. Mix and apply at night 2 to 3 times a week. Always do a patch test and apply sunscreen the next day. Other ingredients to look for: hyaluronic acid as super hydrator. Niacinamide brightens and improves texture. Step number 5, masks for glow. Masks are perfect for that extra boost of glow. After applying mask, skin looks instantly fresh and plump. DIY glass skin mask. 2 tablespoon rice flour. 1 tablespoon honey. 1 tablespoon yogurt. Mix and apply on face for 20 minutes. Rinse off with water thoroughly. Step number 6, moisturize. Hydration is the most important step to achieve glass skin. Choose a lightweight, gel-based moisturizer that locks in all the goodness. DIY gel moisturizer. 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel. A few drops of glycerin. Store in the fridge and apply twice a day. Glycerin and aloe make your skin soft and glassy without greasiness. Step number 7, never skip sunscreen. Sunscreen is essential to protect your skin and even indoors. UV rays damage your skin and make it dull, so sunscreen is a must. Choose a water-based and broad-spectrum SPF 30+. Reapply every 2 to 3 hours if outdoors. And that was all. With consistency, patience, and love for your skin, you can absolutely get smooth, clear glass skin naturally and fast even on a budget. I hope this video was useful. See you all in the next video.